Hey guys, Eric here, and today we're gonna do some good old problem solving. It's time to solve an issue. We're here in my master bedroom, or the owner's suite, and we're gonna solve a real easy problem with a real unique solution. I'm excited for this one, so let's go ahead and get to it. So first I'll show you guys the issue. This is the entrance to our bathroom right here in the master suite, right? And if you look back there, you can see my reflection. That's because that's the entrance to the walk-in closet on the other side. It's mirrored, it's got mirrored doors and stuff like that. So what this does is my wife, she sleeps on this side of the bed, this side here, which is the side that can actually see directly into the bathroom. So when you wake up in the middle of the night, you're half asleep or whatever, and you see your reflection on that mirror when the lights are all out, it startles her. And because she sees movement, she doesn't know what the heck's going on or whatever, so, and you're half asleep, you know, it's scary. It's a little startling. So she was wondering how we can solve this problem. Now, of course, we could just change the doors to the closet and make them so they're not mirrored, but she likes the mirrored doors. So what's another solution? The other solution is we can do some kind of divider or something here right in the doorway. We didn't want like a permanent divider. We don't want to install a door. She came up with the idea of let's put some like sheer curtains or something there. Just something to break up the view. And I said, you know what, that's probably a good idea. Let's go ahead and do that. So we got some stuff. We got some stuff from Ikea, and I came up with a solution that I hope is gonna work. We'll see once we get it up there. She picked out some curtain panels that she liked, and I'll show you where we're gonna hang those. So this is the inside of the bathroom, and as you can see here, there's not a lot of space. I could just put a short traditional curtain rod across here, and that would kind of accomplish what we wanted to do. The only issue with that is this little corner right here. If it sticks out, I mean, it could go like right here. But anyway, I think a traditional one wouldn't be so great. So at Ikea, I saw this. This is like it's like a track that goes on the ceiling. I like it because it gives good mobility for the curtain if it's gonna be open and closing all the time and whatnot. So basically we'll leave it open during the day, maybe put like a hook or something on the wall here to like keep it on the side during the day. And then at night when we're going to sleep, we'll close it all up, and that'll hopefully break up the view to the mirrored closet doors, and my wife can get a much more peaceful night's sleep. It's pretty long, too long for the thing up there. So I am gonna have to cut it. Yeah, it's way too long. I think this is metal. I've got an angle grinder, a new angle grinder I wanna try out. So I should be able to just cut this. This comes with all the hardware here in this little box to hang it up there, and it shouldn't be too hard. It's not gonna carry a ton of weight because, again, it's one curtain panel that's pretty short and it's partly sheer, so it doesn't weigh that much. Anyway, we're gonna get some tools and we're gonna get to hanging this. These will allow it to sit flush with the ceiling, and I'll show you how these work real quick. Basically, you're gonna screw this into the ceiling, right? And then this is you're gonna slide the track on here, and then you can just, you can twist these like that to lock the track in place, and it'll stay on there. So that's one thing. And then you've got this. This is like a stopper that goes on the end, and I'll show you how that goes. Basically, you put this in just like that, and it stops it, and then you lock it into place with that thing, and that stops the stuff from sliding. All right guys, we are back from the garage. I cut the track down to size. The next step that we want to do is we want to mount the track on the ceiling, or at least get the measurements for mounting the track on the ceiling. And I'm going to use the track to actually draw the line because we want the track to be mounted straight. That's like the main thing. And then now we will mount the hangers up here for the track, and then we can slide the track on and adjust it. One other thing that you gotta know is it did come with these 2 washers, and what these washers do is they go between the screw against the ceiling and the hanger. These just allow these to twist so that you can lock them into place once the track is up there. All right, so this is what it looks like when the hanger's on the ceiling. The track will just slide into place, probably from that end, and then we can twist these to lock it in. So the track's got two sides to it. If you look there, you've got a shallow side and then you've got a deeper side. The shallow side is what goes up to the ceiling or the mounting surface you're using. The deeper side is where you're gonna hang the drapes from. I'm not gonna put the ends on this yet because we need to put the drape hangers on there, but I am gonna mount the track up there just to see how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and hang the drapes and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. These are the hangers that we got from Ikea, and these will slide right into that track up there. They've got a couple different options. You can slide this in. You can put one of these little things on there if you want to hang them with rings, and then it'll slide in and hang just like that. Or you don't have to use that part and you can just slide the metal hooks into this part and this will slide on the track. This is the end cap. I'm going to put that little nut in there and we're going to take this screw and we will screw that in. Take our little Allen key. This is what's going to tighten up the end caps once we have those on. So these are just going to slide inside the track just like that. Alright guys, I want to thank you for joining me for that video. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I do simple handyman work on this channel all the time, as well as video game stuff on the All Things Megacade side. It's all the same channel, so please check out my other videos. I will post a playlist, problem solve playlist somewhere on here. Check them out. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you have any questions about how to do this or any questions related to other household handyman stuff, feel free to post a comment below. I try to respond to all the comments as quick as I possibly can. I really appreciate it. Again, guys, thank you so much, and thank you for joining me for another problem solved.